Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to disable direct messages on Discord. Maybe you are getting overwhelmed with too many direct messages, or you are now tired of receiving unwanted messages or spam from strangers on Discord. So today I am going to show you how to disable direct messages on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu below, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this user settings page, select this privacy and safety option. In this page, scroll up and here, you can now see this option that allows direct messages. Now, to disable direct messages, you simply need to toggle off this Allow direct messages from server members option. This will prevent anyone from sending you a direct messages unless you have previously interacted with them or they are in your friends list. You can also filter direct messages from non-friends by selecting Filter direct messages from non-friends option in this both explicit image filter and DM spam filter section. This setting will limit direct messages to only the people you have added as friends on Discord. It is also important to note that disabling direct messages may limit your ability to communicate with other members on Discord, so make sure to use this feature carefully and selectively. There you go. If you wanted to know how to disable direct messages on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to disable direct messages on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.